realize there's a void in the community. And so it's almost like it's like picking up the trash in front of your house. Like
right.
If you don't do it, then who does it?
Exactly. You see that shopping cart, just you're already going there. Put this oddball one back too.
Right. And one of the things I've seen you do really well is, not only do you have that reputation and that story, like you said, but you're really good at sharing that story. Sure. I've seen on social media, like you had a project, I think it was called the Ware Home, that you did where you were, it was your house, I think, that you were moving sure. into, but you put the whole thing on social media, recorded every step of the way, the sure. process, even down to, I remember the bricks. There's a big thing with the bricks, that you found bricks, but your ability to put that out and, like you said, embrace your reputation, sure. but say, here it is, for everybody to see too, is really crucial, I think, to some of your success.